Welcome to this week Biotech Weekly Recap hosted by Evergrowth Biohealthcare Capital. I'm Dr. Harvey Chen, Chairman and CEO of the fund, and today I'm going to share with you the latest update on trend in this niche. Keep in mind that for this Biotech Weekly Recap, we'll feature the latest development featuring large cap biotech stock or stock that we don't invest in. Sometimes we have certain small cap stock that we will present, but no matter which stock we present, they are not stock that we are investing in. We have very high hurdle for the company to clear before we make an investment. Our focus is on small cap growth biotech stock, and this as a disclaimer, it's not a recommendation for you to buy, sell, or hold any stock. It is just an informational video for you to stay up to date with the latest trend in the life science sector.
So for Bristol Myers Squibb or BMY, the FDA has accepted their supplemental biologics license application for Opdivo plus Yervoy. And this is for potential first-line treatment for microsatellite instability high or MSIH or mismatch repair deficient colorectal cancer patients. And this application is based on their phase 3 checkmate study, which demonstrated superior progression-free survival for the combination therapy compared to both chemotherapy and Opdivo monotherapy. With this acceptance, the FDA granted Breakthrough Therapy Designation and Priority Review status with the PDUFA date of June 23 of 2025.
This is an excellent development for cancer treatment. It's good to have a combination drug. In this situation, is Opdivo an immune checkpoint inhibitor plus Yervoy for combination therapy is the cornerstone of cancer treatment, because by hitting multiple targets at once, it reduces the chance that the cancer cell would have to evolve to change their genetic code to evade immune detection. Next is Eli Lilly and Company, or Lilly.
For Eli Lilly, or stock ticker LLY, they have announced their plan to build 4 new pharmaceutical manufacturing sites in the United States. So for these 4 new sites, 3 of which will focus on active pharmaceutical ingredients or API manufacturing and chemical synthesis, while the 4th one will expand injectable therapy production. So this expansion is expected to create 3,000 high-skilled jobs plus approximately 10,000 construction jobs.
So for a pharmaceutical company with this manufacturing site expansion, not only that is create more job, but importantly for the company as well, it signals that there's still ongoing growth. With more manufacturing site expansion, it tells you indirectly that the company portfolio pipeline is growing. That's why they need to have more manufacturing activity to be boosted. For a large company like Eli Lilly, they have their own pharmaceutical manufacturing site, but for the smaller growth biotech stock, they sometimes they choose to engage or to contract with a third-party manufacturer. There's also another development for Eli Lilly. They recently announced the launch of the new 7.5 milligram and 10 milligram Zepbound. This is a GLP agonist drug for weight loss, and now the single dose vials is available for $499 per month through their self-pay journey program. There's also price reduction on the 2.5 milligram vial and 5 milligram vial. 2.5 milligram vial will be available at $349 per month. 5 milligram vial, $499 per month. And the direct-to-consumer distribution model is they eliminate the third-party costs, which lower the cost, and and Lilly is able to transfer the cost saving to the patient. So that's an excellent development for both patient and the company.
So for Arrowhead, with stock ticker ARWR, recently presented preclinical data on ARO-ALK7. This is their investigational RNAi therapeutic targeting ALK7, also for obesity treatment. So for this preclinical data, it showed that 91% of ALK7 mRNA knockdown at 1.5 milligram per kilogram with 75% knockdown still present after 12 weeks. Also, they reduced fat mass by approximately 50% while preserving lean mass in animal models. With this update, also, they received regulatory clearance to begin a phase 1/2A clinical trial with dosing expected in the second quarter of this year.
Usually, for a biotech company that are studying that drug to treat various conditions, they first have to go to preclinical or the animal study. That's what this drug ARWK7, which is a drug, an RNAi drug designed to treat obesity. It shows strong preclinical data or data that was gathered before study in human. Now, the company received regulatory approval to begin the phase 1 of 2A and expected to have dosing of the first patient in second quarter of this year. Keep in mind that the preclinical data is too early. Even though it's positive, strongly positive, it's too early to make a definitive conclusion or forecasting whether or not the drug will work. It's important to keep an eye on this drug, and see that Arrowhead is now looking at this drug to design it for treatment of obesity as well. There have been a big buzz for obesity drug treatment in the past few years. It helped Eli Lilly to more than double its market cap, so perhaps Arrowhead is heading toward that direction and riding that wave. But next up in the biotech sector, there are several upcoming events. On March the 6th, the American Academy of Neurology have their annual meeting. Also, there are two other conferences. TD Cowen 45th Annual Healthcare Conference also occur this month. Leerink Partner Global Healthcare Conference is also occurring this month as well. Now, lastly, for our fund, Evergrowth Biohealthcare Capital will be hosting our annual meeting for fiscal for last year, and that meeting will be held on March 29th at Safety Harbor Spa and Resort. You're welcome to join even if you're not a member of the fund, but make sure you click on registration. Make sure you register, click that register now, and then fill in the information, and then you can join us at Safety Harbor Spa and Resort. Go there and meet other a member of our team, meet other investors, and also listen to the investor presentation, so that way you can capture the latest development in the biotech sector. I appreciate your time, and to learn more about our fund, you can scan the QR code below, and then we'll have a free consultation, free call to see if we're the right fund for you, and if you're the right investor for us. I'll see you in the next weekly update. If you want to capture this lucrative opportunity while investing in the innovation that deliver hope to the patient, but you either don't have time or you don't have the expertise, reach out to us, contact us. We'll schedule a call to see if we are the right fit for each other.